Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is lecture number 14 of our React Mastery course. In this lecture, we will make our website reach to the final product and we will. So hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is lecture number 14 of our React Mastery course. This is the final lecture for our project 1, and in this lecture only we will be completing our whole project number first. In the last lecture, we understand about CS libraries Bulma. So now in this lecture we will learn how can we use that. We have profile card component which looks something like this and it outputs this. So now what we need to do, we need to properly use Bulma in order to make our card look something like this. And I explained you in the previous lecture that if we want to obtain a result something like this, then we have to use the exact same format that the Bulma is using in the right hand side, as you can see, but this is a HTML and we will use in a JSX. So now let's start doing this. Now there is a ton of writing code and I want you to follow along with me. First of all, we will make a div with class name card. Okay, inside this, and inside the div class name card, we will make another div with class name class card slash card dash name. Then we will make figure and class name we will put image space is 1 by 1. And inside figure we will put an image, or we will simply copy this and paste it here. And then outside the card name div we will make another div with name card content. Inside this we will make another div which is media content. Okay, so back again. Now we will make a div with class name called media content, and then inside this div we will place a paragraph with class title space is title, and here we will put is dash 4, and then another paragraph with class name subtitle is dash 6, and then we will place handle inside this and title inside this. Okay, so now after completing this much, what we're gonna do, we will delete this stuff which is h1 and previous paragraph tag. And now if we save this, let's see what happens. So as you can see that the pictures loaded here are extremely large. This is happening because we haven't applied some of the more things, which are these. So let's apply these fast, and these will be applied in app.jsx. Now what we are going to do, First we will make div with class name container, and then we will make a section with class name section. Then we will make div with class name columns, and then div with class name column space is 4. And now we will duplicate this div, which is of class name column, 3 times because we have 3 components. Now we will place this profile card into this div component. This one, right here, and this one right there. And now we save this Cortana image. Okay, so we have duplicated this 2 times. Now what we will do, we will write here we'll place this Cortana here. Now the city in the 3rd column. Now it looks something like this. And now if we save this and see the result, now you can see that now it is a bit more defined and looks much more better than before. It is not showing Alexa title. Let me see. Okay, so because I have written title here. So this is the mistake you have to keep in mind while using props. Now you can see that this works totally fine. Now most of our task is completed, but 2 tasks are still left. First of all is that we have to apply styling to our header, which we will write currently personal digital assistants. We save this. Okay. So now in order to apply styling to header, what we will do, we will come to our Burma website, and here we will click in layouts, and in layouts we will click on hero section. So now this is the coding we need to do to apply styling in our header. So let's do this fast. At the above we will make a section with class hero space is primary. And then we will make a div with hero dash body. And now we will make a paragraph with title, class name title, sorry. And here we will write personal digital assistants. Okay, so now if we save this and check our application, so now you can see that the header is styled, which means that we have implemented all these given instructions clearly, and now it is working totally fine. So now the last step is left, which is adding description to our cards. So now we can add description to our cards by applying another prop, which is of attribute named description. Now one important advice here again, which is that you can give it any name. I am giving it the name which is most suitable. So I will write Alexa is made by Amazon and it will help you buy products. In the Cortana section, we will add another description. Here we will write Cortana is made by Microsoft. Who knows what it does? And third section, we will write description. And Siri is made by Apple. It is not used more, or it is used very less. And now if you save this, nothing happens. Okay, because we have not used these props, we will do add another prop which name description, and here we will add another paragraph. No, we will not add another paragraph. We will make another div outside this media content div, but that div will be inside cart content. We'll make a div with class content and then add description. And now if you save this, you can see that it runs absolutely fine. You might notice one thing, that the Siri card is a little bit shorter because Balma has not defined properties to set these three equally, but it has made it in such a way that the length of these cards will depend on the text. So if we increase the text in Siri a little bit, and now if you save this and run this, you can see that this works totally fine. And now all three cards are similar. And now we have made our first project using the power of React, which is making personal digital assistants cards. So this one project here is a very simple project. And as we move on further in the lecture, we will be doing more and more complex applications which will make our foundation strong. So this project was not very hard but important to do, because it will make our foundations clear and strong. So guys, this was all